Hello, I'm Jared from BendPak, here at our headquarters in Southern California. When you buy from BendPak or from any of our other brands, you're getting a long-standing tradition of quality auto lifts, wheel service, and shop equipment. These products are built to last and are manufactured with the health of our planet in mind. We think green. Here in California, the health and safety codes are some of the strictest in the nation. Yet, BendPak goes above and beyond to honor the environment. The BendPak facility uses the best powder coating and painting procedures. Powder coating cuts down on harmful emissions that are found in traditional coating. The paints and solvents we use have lower VOC content than even mandated. A strict third-party evaluation determined that the waste products produced by our paint booth have no negative impact on our local wildlife. All our forklifts and office-to-office transportation vehicles are 100% electric, with zero emission. We plug them in when we're not using them to keep them charged. When BendPak remodeled and expanded our Southern California facilities, we made sure to include green space and planters into the design, not only for an enhanced appearance, but to retain and utilize rainwater runoff in order to support the city's local ecosystem. BendPak focuses on green initiatives and making sure we have environmentally friendly buildings. That's why we've converted to LED lighting throughout our facilities. LEDs are 80% more efficient than other traditional fluorescent or HID options. LEDs are also mercury-free and 100% recyclable. From paper, glass, plastic, and steel, BendPak recycles as much material as we possibly can to eliminate waste. We like to save trees by making almost all of our company, sales, and informational literature available digitally. And of course, a safe environment for our employees is the first priority at BendPak. We implemented safety measures to keep our employees safe through the pandemic, like using state-of-the-art equipment for high accuracy, daily temperature, and wellness checks. BendPak will continue to lead the way with cleaner manufacturing technologies as they become available. When it comes to the best auto lifts, wheel service, and shop equipment, BendPak and our brands has something for everyone.